Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Miss Stephanie, who is Thread and Glue here on YouTube. And I have pre-opened the envelope. And let's pull what we have in it. And we're going to remove the envelope from view so I don't mistakenly show any addresses. We have a card here. Oh wow. She has sent me a pattern that I asked about, and this is a jumbo stocking. So I got that. Thank you, Miss Stephanie. I will be using that in the future. I'll have to label that to make sure I remember who it's from. Then we also have these Crafter Square stickers. I've seen this one. Ooh, I like them. So these will go in my collection of Crafter Square in the drawer that I have just not but Crafter Square, y'all. Literally, it's a whole drawer of nothing but Crafter Square. So, I want to thank Miss Stephanie for this great Happy Mail. And thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget that thumbs up, y'all. It does help me out. And I want to wish you all a blessed day. Blah, 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 tongue twister. Please be happy, be kind, be blessed, be crafty, stay safe. And I will see you all on the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.